Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This week in class we've been talking about conflict resolution and how we deal with different kinds of conflicts in our families, in our working life, in our online interactions and so on. And one of my students said that sometimes she feels so bad about the way she's handled particular kind of difficult conversations at work that she lies awake at night worrying about what she said, what she didn't say, how she handled things, how she could have handled things. Basically, the conversations prey on her mind. By the way, you might also sometimes see things playing on your mind. They're basically used interchangeably, prey or play on your mind. And if problems play or prey on your mind, you think about them a lot. They obsess you. You find it hard to let go of them. They continue to worry you. So maybe you lose your temper with someone that you're close to and it preys on your mind for days to come. Sometimes we use it to talk about films that we've seen or books that we've read or maybe paintings that we've seen. And you might say, yeah, I saw it a couple of months ago, but it's been preying or playing on my mind ever since. There's just something really haunting about it that I can't let go of. Maybe you have a friend who is worried about doing something in the future because they fear that they might fail. So you might tell your friend, listen, you can't let the possibility of failure prey on your mind, otherwise you'd never do anything. Other things that might prey or play on your mind are mounting debts. Maybe if you're in a lot of debt and the debt is growing all the time, it might prey on your mind. Sometimes just thinking about how you could have done things differently, things you could have said or things you should have said, things that you should have done better in the past might play on your mind or prey on your mind. And perhaps unanswered questions might prey on your mind as well. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use prey or play on your mind.